Hello guys, this is Masi Ahmadi from Bridge Studio, and in this tutorial we are going to use shadow catcher to put these objects on this photo. To do that, first you should know your shadows, the direction of your shadows. Then you have to add a plane and scale it. After that you should change the direction of your sun to have the same shadow direction with your photo. After that, select the plane, go to object, and in visibility you should check the shadow catcher. As you can see, you have your shadows, but you should come to fill and check the transparent to see the viewport in PNG mode. And let me show you my render setting. It's not something special, it's just cycles GPU compute, and in color management, filmic and high contrast is good for me. Here I put the resolution in 200 and let's render it. Okay, let's save this picture. Go to image, save as, and here as a test, and that's okay. Let's save it. Okay, this is our final render. As you can see, it's PNG and we have our shadows. Okay, let's drag our render to the Photoshop. Then I make it a smart object, and now I increase it a little bit. Maybe this one is good. Yes, that's good, I think. Look at the shadows direction here, and now you can adjust the color and contrast of this image. Let me change the hue and saturation. I increase the saturation and a little change the hue. Maybe this one is good, and I increase the lightness, and that's it. Our models are here in the new background. If you liked this video, you can support us by liking and subscribing our channel, and see you later.